Welcome back to Everyday Race. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your dumb oil pressure gauge into one that actually works on the Ford Ranger and these other models. Alright, so step one, you want to make sure that your oil pressure gauge is actually in good working order before you can modify it. So for that, you got to start the truck. And if the arm goes right in the middle, that means you're good to go. You can proceed to the next step. Alright, step two is you got to remove the gauge cluster from your truck. For that, you can click on this video up here and it'll give you a complete video on gauge cluster removal. Next, locate 20 ohm resistor located in the back of the gauge cluster and solder 20 gauge or bigger wire, jump in the resistor. So it would look just like this. Next, remove the original oil pressure sender located on the driver's side back of the cylinder head using a 26mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Alright, so next install a 90-degree elbow in the same hole where the old oil pressure sender came out. Clock it about 5 o'clock and then install a new oil pressure sending unit. And it should look just like this on the truck. It's kind of a tight fit, but everything fit perfectly. Next, attach the old electrical connector to the new oil pressure sender. Alright, next place the gauge cluster in its original position and plug it in. Just to test it, don't completely install it. Okay. Let me give it some gas and see if the oil pressure is going to go up. Okay. That's normal. Alright, next step is pretty important. You have to shut the truck off and you got to go and look at under the truck and make sure you don't have anything leaking. If nothing is leaking, you're good to go. You can button up the truck, button up the gauge cluster, and enjoy your new mod. So if you want to see a more detailed video of this installation, it's going to be out next week. So come back next week and check it out. And like always, have a good day.